Hi, I'm Otis Francis, electronic engineer for Electrotone Incorporated, and I'm here to demo the #1 pedal for you today. We designed it because a couple of guitar player friends of mine needed some extra things, and we're just trying to give you a few things that nobody else is offering to fill in some needs that guitar players have. This, to start out with, is a true bypass. And to demonstrate, we could unplug it, and then you still have sound. You plug it in, and you got 3 identical channels. Each channel has volume, of course, tone, and gain, and a mode switch. And the mode switch switches you into authentic, discrete circuitry that give you that sound. Like the fuzz is an actual 1960s fuzz transistor circuit made with 2 transistors. And the switching gives you 3 different modes, 3 different options on each channel. Plus you can set all 3 channels for different sounds and just hit the button and you're there. Or hit the button again and it's total bypassed. Okay, with that, when you go into a lead and you have a lead solo, you have a boost control here. And all the way down is 3 decibels boost. So it sounds like this. Let me turn it up a little bit so it sounds better. That's all the way down, so it gives you a little bit of boost there. But you can turn it all the way up to 20 decibels of boost, which is quite a bit, probably more than you're going to need, but it's there if you want it. So you can really overdrive your amp, similar to Stevie Ray Vaughan, Eric Clapton, and guys like that that like to overdrive their amp. And you have all the different pedals all in one. The heavy metal sound would be like the distortion sound like this. Here's the fuzz, authentic fuzz circuitry. Now if you're into blues, or just maybe the sound of overdriving an amplifier, then you want to go to the overdrive, which is really nice and quiet. You can go all the way down to where there's very little gain, where you sound like you're just overdriving an amplifier a little bit. And you can turn it all the way up. You can get quite a bit of overdrive, like you're really overdriving an amp. Okay, then you can turn it to the distortion. Nice sustain on it. The distortion has clipping diodes, but the overdrive doesn't. It actually goes through a transformer. A small transformer, and has a technology called magnetone technology that we have a patent on, and it's a real nice sound, very similar to a tube overdriven sound. And the thing that's really nice about it is really quiet. Okay, the fuzz, of course, everybody's liking the fuzz. The fuzz is good. It's like an aggressive fuzz. It's an authentic fuzz, but it's more aggressive, like similar to Jimmy Page, Jimi Hendrix, those guys. So. Well, it's kind of hard to demo it quietly like this. Kind of need a full Marshall stack, of course. Well, also on the number 1, on the back you have 1/4-inch input jack, 1/4-inch output, and an XLR if you want to go directly to a recording console. The frequency response of this is rolled off, similar to a speaker, 12-inch speaker, Celestion to be exact. And over here you have the power cable. It's a standard computer power cable that you can get anywhere. So if anything ever happens to the cord, it's real easy to get a replacement. Inside of here is a fuse, a 0.5 ampere fuse, and that protects the circuitry. You'll probably never have to replace it, but just in case you plug it into the wrong voltage or something, it'll protect the unit, blow this fuse, and then you just put it in a new fuse and you're good to go. Casing on this is a cast aluminum heavy-duty case. You could run over this with your truck if you wanted to, which would be kind of weird, but very durable, built to last a lifetime. And we put real rivets in here, everything is put together, so very, very solid to last a lifetime.